Okay, so we're out harvesting ramps today, and sometimes we're having to bushwhack. And this bush here is gooseberry bush, and notice what's on the gooseberry bushes. These spiky little thorns, if my camera will cooperate. And there we go. So so sometimes this is what the purpose of a walking stick is to move things out of the way, you know, to keep you from getting stuck by brambles and whatnot, or to get access to something that you may be harvesting. Okay, so again, another good use of the walking stick especially is to move stuff out of your way. Okay, and again, I'm using this one-handed. There's other ways to do this that if I had both hands, I could show you more efficiently. But just as a starter, as I'm walking through to get at the bounty here, I have to use my stick to move these sharp, thorny things out of the way. The gooseberries will be coming up mid to late summer. So this is a bush that I'll be revisiting later on this year.